Hello students, welcome back to the class. Today we will move on to the another part, that is word problems on number operations. What are number operations? You are already familiar with addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. These are the operations which we apply on numbers. So here we will discuss some word problems. We have the first problem. The number of persons who visited the holy shrine of Mata Vaishno Devi during last 2 consecutive years was 137,89,509 and 129,76498 respectively. How many persons visited the shrine during these 2 years? So students, whenever you are doing word problems, so first of all you need to find out the meaning of that statement. If you will get the meaning, then only you can apply the operation. Okay, and whenever we are doing this word problem, it is always necessary to write the statement. We cannot do the solution directly. First of all, whatever data is given in the question, we have to note it down, and then we will move on to the further steps. So here we also have some data here. So, number of persons who visited the holy shrine in the first year is equals 137,89,509, as we have in the question also. And the number of persons who visited the holy shrine in the second year is equals 129,76498. And in the questions we have to find out that how many persons visited the shrine during these 2 years. So here in this question we have to find out the total number of persons. Total is coming here, so we can easily get an idea that which operation we have to apply here. Yes, we have to apply addition here. So how we can find out the total number of persons? By adding these two numbers. So therefore, total number of persons who visited the shrine during these 2 years is equals when we add these two numbers. So after addition of these two numbers, we get this final number 267,66007. So therefore, total person visited the holy shrine during these 2 years is 267,66007. Now we will move on to the second problem. What is the statement of this problem? The total population of a city is 287,56304. If the number of males is 169,87059, then find the number of females in the city. So, we have the solution. We have the total population of a city. And in that city, we have the number of males. How many males are there? So, we have this number. That number of males in the city is equals 169,87059. So now in this question we have to find out the females in the city, number of females in the city. So as we have the population of that particular city, the population includes males and females both. So here how we can find out the number of females in the city? By subtracting the number of males from the total population. So when we subtract this, we get this final number. So therefore, number of females in the city is 11769245. We have third problem. An aeroplane covers 1485 kilometers in 1 hour. How much distance will it cover in 72 hours? You can understand this problem in this way, that suppose the cost of one chocolate is rupees 10. So what will be the cost of 10 chocolates? Yes, rupees 100 rupees. How we can get it? By multiplication. So similarly we have to do in this problem also. So we have the solution, distance covered by an aeroplane in 1 hour equals 1485 kilometers. So therefore, distance covered in 72 hours is equals 1485 into 72 kilometers. So after multiplication we get this final number 106920. So therefore, distance covered in 72 hours equals 106920 kilometers. We have the final problem. The total mass of 8 packets, each of the same size, is 10 kilograms 600 grams. So what is the mass of each packet? In this problem we have the total mass of 8 packets. We have 8 packets of something and they all are of same size. And what is the total mass of all those 8 packets? 10 kilograms 600 grams. So what is the mass of each packet? So we have to find out the mass of each packet because they all are of same size. So therefore we have the solution. Total mass of 8 packets of same size is equals 10 kilograms 600 grams. So first of all we have to express this total mass of 8 packets into same units. So here I have converted this grams into kilograms. So to convert gram into kilogram we have to divide it by 1000. So after conversion I got this 10.600 kilograms. And how many total packets are there? 8. So to find the mass of each packet we have to divide the total mass of 8 packets by 8. So after division we get this answer 1.325 kilograms. So therefore mass of each packet is equals 1.325 kilograms. And we can express this into kilogram and grams also. So this can be written as 1 kilogram 325 grams. So students, that's it for today. I hope you all will understand this. Thank you.